Good morning, everyone. So I wanted to go over a few trades that I took this morning. So I took four were winners, and I had a pretty good day. It actually could have been a lot better, but I stuck to my rules, and though my rules kind of backfired today, I'm happy that I did stick with them. I think the long run, it'll pay off. So here first was JD. JD had gapped up in the morning. So I was waiting for an opportunity to go long on it. So I was watching it, and I saw a nice 5-minute engulfing candle here. I saw it breaking through VWAP. Now I did have the 50-day, the 50 moving average on the 1 and the 2 to contend with. I usually like to see that below, but it felt like it was going to be strong. So I took an entry here right above VWAP. I actually got a bad fill. I tried to get in more right around this 28.75, and I had about 5 or 6 cents of slippage. So I saw it come back down, hit VWAP again. I saw it rejecting it, so I added to my position here. I know trading JD in the past, it can be a little volatile, so I was watching this closely, hoping to get to 2-to-1. I probably partial a little too soon here. I took some out there, and then I was about 2-to-1 here, and my rules are once I start partialing, I go to break even. So this candle right here came down and tested my break even and stopped me out. And you see what happened right after that. It just took off, and it would have been a fantastic trade. Kind of a shame, but those are the rules that I stick to, so I'm still happy with it overall. And then kind of same thing happened to me on AMD. So AMD wasn't really on my watch list. It was more down here at the bottom. But as we heard in the chat room, Norm mentioned that the U.S. delays China tariff talks till later in the year. So my attention went right to AMD, and I saw it popping up. Figured it was going to be strong. I got in here as soon as it broke the previous day close, and I got a nice little push up, partialed, and there's another one of those that you can see that this candle right here, long tail came down, hit my break even, and I was all out. Even though I knew it was still going to be strong, it was going to continue to run, I still went ahead and got out. So I continued to watch it to see if it was going to continue to be strong. I saw it reject this pretty quickly, and I got back in here on the next minute, wait for a couple pops like we know AMD can do. Started partially came down, and then at this point I had such a small share size, and I was happy with my P&L for the day, so I went ahead and got out. So 2 trades AMD, 1 JD, and I took another on MU. That was a small winner. I don't know why I got out of this one so soon. I didn't like the way these candles were forming, just hanging around VWAP. I thought any time now it could just break below it. So I just got out. It was a small winner, but overall, pretty good day. Thanks, guys. Bye.